Hey everyone, don't mind the hair, I just went on a walk. But I got my Ipsy package and I thought we can unbox it together. This little boxy charm thing. Alright, I got some brushes. Here are the brushes. This is a blending brush, powder brush. I think this is a contour brush. Alright, and then we got the House Labs crayon, and I got it in very matte. So let's try it on. Pretty good. Pretty good. Then we got a see-through silk concealer. It's a little light, but I've been wanting a lighter one for under my eyes, so maybe we try that tomorrow. And then we got Ace Beauty Maximum Impact Liquid eyeshadow. Sparkly. This is in the color Stella Dusk. Very sparkly. It looks like it blends out pretty good. Act like I know what I'm talking about, and I just kind of play around with the makeup. Watch some videos and try to make it look good. And then this is from DYS Beauty. And it looks like it's lip gloss. Yeah, this is the lip gloss. Ew, that's kind of pretty. It tastes pretty good too. Then I got the Anastasia Lash Sculpt Mascara. Well, we'll see. I'll try it. And then I got the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's more of a cream moisturizer. But we will try that out and see how we like it. That is the box for the month. Have a good night. Thanks for watching.